So Jay came over in less than 2 minutes, told me I need to adjust this. I loosened it up. He pushed it a little bit, turned it a little bit, I should say. In less than 2 minutes. Crazy. Less than 2 minutes, man. Huh? The beard dude with the beard, ZZ Top. Jay came over, got it straight. Don't even got to hit the gas. But he said it sounded like it got a bearing. It needs a bearing. I was going to say a bearing knock. He said it sounds like it needs a bearing. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to probably drive this through the winter. Yeah, it's crazy because I got the flows done and everything. In the new metal. But yeah, I'm going to drive it through the winter, most likely. And summertime, get a brand new 305 or a brand new 350. Slap him in there. But I kind of want to keep that for the winter. The K25. I kind of want to keep it, but I want to see how this do during the winter. I ain't gonna lie to you. I want to see how that rides through the winter. But yeah, it got me straight. Less than 2 minutes. Starting up. Still need to be adjusted a little bit, but yeah, it is what it is, man. Don't nothing beat that experience, that know-how they say it. And he did it for free. Shout out to Jay.